Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about the different states of India. So let's get started. Different states of India. There are 29 states in India. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, that is Orissa, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal. Let's learn about these states. First, Andhra Pradesh. Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Telugu is the official language of Andhra Pradesh. Speciality of Andhra Pradesh is it is also known as the rice bowl of India for being a major producer of rice in India. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Speciality of Arunachal Pradesh is Arunachal Pradesh has close to 61,000 square kilometers of forest, and forest products are the next most significant sector of the economy. Among the crops grown here are rice, maize, millet, wheat, pulses, sugarcane, ginger, and oilseeds. Arunachal is also ideal for horticulture and fruit orchards. The official language of Arunachal Pradesh is English. Next, Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. Assam is also known for Assam tea and Assam silk. The state was the first site for oil drilling in Asia. Assam is home to the one-horned Indian rhinoceros along with the wild water buffalo, pygmy hog, tiger, and various species of Asiatic birds, and provides one of the last wild habitats for the Asian elephant. Assamese is the official language of Assam. Next, Bihar. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Hindi is the official language of Bihar. The speciality of Bihar is the place from where the concept of non-violence originated, the most enchanting thought in the history of mankind. It was Lord Mahavira and Lord Buddha who raised this idea about 2600 years ago. Bihar is also the birthplace of two religions, Jainism and Buddhism. Next, Chhattisgarh. Atalnagar or Naya Raipur is the capital of Chhattisgarh. Hindi is the official language of Chhattisgarh. The speciality of Chhattisgarh is Chhattisgarh, situated in the heart of India, is endowed with a rich cultural heritage and attractive natural diversity. The state is full of ancient monuments, rare wildlife species, carved temples, Buddhist sites, palaces, waterfalls, caves, rock paintings, and hill plateaus. Next, Goa. Panji is the capital of Goa. Konkani is the official language of Goa. Reasons why Goa is famous: fantastic beaches, carnival, a parade in Goa, festive atmosphere in December, a decorated church at Christmas time, water sports, beach shacks, cheap alcohol, Portuguese influence, and dolphin spotting. Next, Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Marathi is the official language of Maharashtra. The speciality of Maharashtra is the Konkan, Waradi, Agri, and Khandeshi cuisines are popular with tourists. The specialty dishes of Maharashtrian cuisines are often strong in pepper and spice with a twist of curry leaves, coconut, and peanuts. Well-known dishes include vada pav, misal pav, and Mumbai chaat and Puneri misal, Seluचा chana. Next, Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Gujarati is the official language of Gujarat. The speciality of Gujarat is it is dotted with several natural wonders like the Run of Kutch, which is the largest salt desert in the world. Some of the plus points of travelers visiting Gujarat can also enjoy the unique folk dances and some lip-smacking dishes of the state well known all over the world. Next, Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Hindi is the official language of Haryana. The speciality of Haryana is the hookahs, the cows, the carts, the milk, the paddy fields, the colorful festivals. Yes, it is incredible Haryana, also known as the home of gods. Haryana shares its borders with several states of India like Rajasthan, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Next, Himachal Pradesh. Shimla, Dharamshala is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Hindi is the official language of Himachal Pradesh. The speciality of Himachal Pradesh is known for its narrow gauge railways. Hinduism is the major religion in the state. The state has remained mostly untouched by the external customs, mainly due to the difficult terrain. Himachal Pradesh is famous for its handicrafts, including carpets, paintings, leatherworks, stools, and more. Next, Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar and Jammu are the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Dogri, Hindi, English, Urdu, and Kashmiri are the official languages of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. It is home to pristine lakes, stunning gardens, ancient temples, and monasteries. The most prominent tourist attractions in Jammu and Kashmir include Ladakh, Patni Top, the Mughal Gardens, Gulmarg, and Pahalgam. Next, Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Hindi is the official language of Jharkhand. The speciality of Jharkhand is the leading producer of mineral wealth in the country after Chhattisgarh state, endowed as it is with a vast variety of minerals like iron ore, coal, copper ore, mica, bauxite, graphite, limestone, and uranium. Jharkhand is also known for its vast forest resources. Next, Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Kannada is the official language of Karnataka. The speciality of Karnataka is the state of Karnataka is one of the prominent tourism hubs in India. However, tourism is just one of the facets of Karnataka. Feel the caress of Mysore silk or the fragrance of sandalwood. Experience the living ruins of Hampi or just delight in the simple yet sophisticated wooden toys from Channapatna. Next, Kerala. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Malayalam is the official language of Kerala. The speciality of Kerala is the state has the highest media exposure in India with newspaper publishing in 9 languages, mainly English and Malayalam. Kerala is one of the prominent tourist destinations of India with backwaters, hill stations, beaches, Ayurvedic tourism and tropical greenery as its major attractions. Next, Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Hindi is the official language of Madhya Pradesh. The speciality of Madhya Pradesh is particularly famous for its Khajuraho temples, which exhibit the erotic sculptures depicting the ancient India Kama Sutra text. The great Sanchi Stupa, constructed during King Ashoka's reign, is situated here in Bhopal. Next, Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. Meitei or Manipuri is the official language of Manipur. The speciality of Manipur is Kabok is their speciality, where the rice is fried with lots of vegetables. Manipuris love nagri, which is a type of fermented fish, oti, chagem, pomband, kangshui. Lonchak happens to be their favorite vegetable, which is none other than a bean. Next, Meghalaya. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. The official languages of Meghalaya are Hindi, Khasi, Garo, Nepali, and Assamese. The speciality of Meghalaya is also the home to a large variety of fruits, vegetables, spices, and medicinal plants. Meghalaya is also famous for its large variety of orchids, nearly 325 of them. Of these, the largest varieties found in the Mausmai, Maumla, and Sorarim forest in the Khasi Hills. Next, Mizoram. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Mizo and English is the official language of Mizoram. The speciality of Mizoram is literacy in the state has grown rapidly, and Mizoram literacy at 91.58% is the third most literate in the country. Serchhip district 98.76% and Aizawl district 98.50% recorded the highest literacy rates among districts in the country. Next, Nagaland. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. Indian English is the official language of Nagaland. One of the coolest thing about Nagaland is the fact that it is also home to the hottest chili peppers in the world, much famous as ghost pepper, ghost chili and red naga. It is deemed to be a shocking 400 times hotter than Tabasco sauce. Next, Odisha, that is Orissa. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Orissa. Oriya is the official language of Orissa. The speciality of Orissa is from temples to tribal villages. Odisha has some truly unique and diverse treasures to discover. These include national parks and wildlife, unpolluted beaches, traditional music and dance, handicrafts, tribal culture, Buddhist relics and food. Next, Punjab. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Punjabi is the official language of Punjab. The speciality of Punjab is Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, is known for its brave, helpful, and hospitable people and their exuberant festivals and celebrations. Punjabis love everything that is over the top, colorful dresses, foot-tapping music, and an undying love for food and drinks. Next, Rajasthan. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Hindi is the official language of Rajasthan. Speciality of Rajasthan is famous for textiles, semi-precious stones and handicrafts, and for its traditional and colorful art. Rajasthani furniture has intricate carvings and bright colors, block prints, tie and dye prints, Bagaru prints, Sanganer prints, and Zari embroidery are major export products from Rajasthan. Next, Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Nepali is the official language of Sikkim. Speciality of Sikkim is a part of the eastern Himalaya. Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climates, as well as being a host to Kangchenjunga, the highest peak in India and third highest on earth. Sikkim's largest city is Gangtok. Next, Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Tamil is the official language of Tamil Nadu. Speciality of Tamil Nadu. If there is one thing that Tamil Nadu is famous for all over the world, it is glorious and ancient temples. The great living Chola temples such as the Brihadiswara temple or the rock-cut Pallava temples at Mahabalipuram are listed as World Heritage Sites and draw a great number of visitors internationally. Next, Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Telugu, Urdu is the official language of Telangana. Speciality of Telangana is the region has the spiciest food amongst all other Telugu and Indian cuisines. Telangana has some unique dishes in its cuisine such as Jona rotte, that is sorghum, Sajja rotte, that is penisettum, or Upudi pindi, that is broken rice. In Telangana, a gravy or curry is called kura and pulusu, that is sar, in based on tamarind. Next, Tripura. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. The official languages of Tripura are Hindi, Kokborok, Meitei, Odia, Bishnupriya Manipuri language. Speciality of Tripura is Tripura ranks second to Kerala in the production of natural rubber in the country. The state is known for its handicraft, particularly hand-woven cotton fabric, wood carvings and bamboo products. Next, Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Hindi, Urdu are the official languages of Uttar Pradesh. Speciality of Uttar Pradesh is famous for its rich heritage of art and craft. Most famous centers are the following. Agra, since the Mughal era, has been home to numerous Mughal crafts, including the Paitradura, still practiced today. Next, Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Hindi is the official language of Uttarakhand. Speciality of Uttarakhand. Simply heaven, Uttarakhand or Uttaranchal is known for its natural beauty of the Himalayas, the Bhabar and the Terai grasslands and Suvanas, the simply heaven on earth. Uttarakhand is often referred to as the Dev Bhumi or land of the gods due to the many Hindu temples and pilgrimage center. And last state is West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Bengali, English are the official languages of West Bengal. Speciality of West Bengal is West Bengal is the only Indian state which has the Himalayas, the Duars forest, the vast beaches of the Bay of Bengal and innumerable rivers. This is called accident of geography. Kolkata was the capital of British India from 1756 to 1911, because of which you find British monuments in every part of the city. Thank you. So kids, this was all about the different states of India. Bye bye, take care.